Close to Calgary, there's a trail that takes you to a frozen waterfall. Every winter, people go there often to check out the beautiful display of scenery and nature.
Looks sweet. Looks like we're gonna have a fun time.
Access can change drastically as the conditions vary throughout winter. Sometimes there's tons of ice, while other times there's deep snow and deep river crossings.
Really pretty in this canyon. You can see all the way up the valley on a clear day. This would be really nice. One tip down.
On this particular Saturday, we decided to go out to check out the falls and see what conditions were like. Conditions were so good we even decided to push past the falls all the way to the national park boundary. Tune into today's videos to see how the adventure ended.
What's going on, guys? Griffin here with Country Slickers, and we're headed out today in an absolute blizzard to go do some wheeling to Transalta Falls. We haven't been there yet this year, so very excited. Got the fiance with me. Got Miller's. Hey, Millie. She's much less than impressed. It's cold as hell. It's like -20 today. The wind is blowing. You guys can see we're just posted up at the gas station here, and it's just crazy windy, blowing snow. We could only do like 40 kilometers an hour on the drive to Cochrane, so it should be a good day out. It's going to be a cold day out, so I doubt we'll be outside filming much, but we'll get you guys some cool shots with the drone, and yeah, hopefully have some good times. We've got Bronco with us, a little Isuzu it looks like, and then another half ton. So we've got a good little group. It should be a good day out. So stay tuned, you guys. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We appreciate the support on the channel, and we'll be right back after this short introduction. Grabbing my bear spray. We are way out here. We need to be on that side. Unfortunately, we were going down a trail, exploring. Trail fix. Good. Yeah, good. Rim exploded. Look at this. In business. Minus the shock.
At this time, we'd like to give a shout out to our sponsors for making this YouTube channel possible.
Hell yeah. Alright, you guys, so we just got aired down. We're heading up to the trailhead now, and yeah, group looks sweet. Looks like we're gonna have a fun time. That Dodge is built up really nice on King shocks and Carly reservoirs, and then looks like he's got the new KO3s on there too, which I haven't seen in person until today. So I'll be interested to see how those run. He is mobbing. Woo!
Leading up to Transalta Falls is a mixture of rocky terrain as well as multiple water crossings. The water crossings can be tricky as sometimes the water level fluctuates between high, medium, and low throughout the year. At times the water can be as high as getting over your bumper, so it does make it interesting being that the temperatures drop below negative 20 degrees Celsius on this particular day.
Oh my god, it's freezing out here. It's like minus 20 and these water crossings are all sorts of frozen. There they are. There they are, the falls! Icy. All right, you guys, we just got to the falls. Yeah, what a cool run that was. Super icy, but we did make it. And yeah, the full sizes made it no problem, which was nice. It's super pretty here. The falls have really shaped up after that warm weather last week. Looks awesome. Killer. It's super slick. How'd you think the run in was? It was good, eh?
Yeah.
Not bad at all. Wonder what these guys are doing over there. Looks like they're camping or something. All right, so we just stopped off at the falls and took a couple pictures, checked it out. The ice is really nice this time that we were there. Lots of melt off is for refrozen and pretty sweet. So we're gonna keep going though, and we're gonna go to the secondary falls, which is just a little bit past it. Go see what that's looking like this year, because we haven't checked that out in a long time. Really pretty in this canyon. You can see all the way up the valley on a clear day. Okay, so I barely made it up there. I just was too long. I couldn't go straight at it. I had to come at an angle. So I bet you the Bronco cleans this, no problem. From maybe not. Nice.
We're here. We're at 50.
Yeah.
Yeah.
50. Right at the end here. Yeah, right there.
Literally.
Right on the end. Yeah, that's as far as she goes. Yeah. So I wonder if we go here to 48, if that gives us
something or
something. Yeah, like I don't know if there's maybe something cool in there. So happy to play in the snow. Nice stick. Let's see. Let's see it. Come here. Okay, here, I got it. Okay, ready? Go. Very good. Okay, Millie, we're gonna go now. So we're kind of defeated here. We thought there was a waterfall at the end of this trail, and we just got to marker 50 and there's nothing. So we're gonna go backtrack a little bit, see if there's another branch that we can go up. But it might be we just had ourselves a really long, pretty drive and there's no prize at the end of it. We'll see. End of the trail, no waterfall, but at least it's pretty. Be a heck of a spot to come if you had a rooftop camper and camp. Wow.
Feels like it's starting to warm up a bit.
It does, yeah. Well, I guess no waterfall. Sorry, guys.
You know, I've never been this far, so this is just a nice adventure.
Yeah. It's super pretty. Yeah, that would be a very, very, very pretty place to camp with that mountain in the background. Beautiful. Anyways, you guys, we're gonna head back now, bomb down the trail, get back and get some food in us. But thank you for coming along for the adventure. If you guys watched till now, please hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate the support on the channel. And we will see you guys on the next adventure. Until then, Country Slicker out of here.